We know you're concerned about the planet and its inhabitants. You want to help stop global warming. But what can you do to make a difference, besides change some light bulbs? What really is the #1 cause of global warming? People who don't recycle? Nope. Too many cars? Nope. Planes? Nope. How about that steak on your plate? The United Nations has concluded that factory farming is one of the biggest contributors to the most serious environmental problems at every level, from local to global. Land degradation, climate change, pollution, water shortages, habitat destruction. These are not inevitable forces. The change is easy. All we have to do is tell everyone we know that meat's not green. Animals raised for meat, eggs, and milk create enormous amounts of greenhouse gas emissions that cause global warming. Chickens, turkeys, pigs, and cows on factory farms generate billions of pounds of drug-laced feces every year. This waste frequently spills over into nearby waterways, killing millions of fish and causing dangerous effects. Eating meat is far less efficient than eating plants. It can take up to 16 pounds of grain to produce just 1 pound of meat. And because of the need to grow so much grain to feed farmed animals, millions of acres of native habitat are destroyed and replaced with a single crop.